Exercise 11.2 of the construction. First question is construct a triangle ABC in which VC equal to 7 centimeter, angle B equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. Now the rough figure of question number 1. Question number 1. The base BC equal to 7 centimeter. First draw a base 7 centimeter and angle B equal to 75 degree. Make angle B 75 degree, like this is 90 degree, and from these 2 points cut and make angle of 75 degree. AB plus AC 13 degree, 13 centimeter. Now cut AB plus AC 13 centimeter from here, 13 centimeter. Now join. This point is D. Now perpendicular bisect CD. Perpendicular bisect CD. This is the perpendicular bisector of CD, and cut this perpendicular bisector, this BD, at A. Now join AC. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Okay. Now construct. First, base 7 centimeter. First construct the base 7 centimeter. Okay. This is the base BC 7 centimeter. Now make an angle B equal to 75 degree. Okay. Angle of 75 degree. This is 90 degree and now 75. We have to need the 13 centimeter. Therefore, we have to extend up to okay. Now cut 13 centimeter. Now cut 13 centimeter. Oh my God. Total compass is 13 centimeter. Cut 13 centimeter from here. This is the 13 centimeter. Okay. Now join CD. This is the point CD. Now perpendicular bisect line CD. From C and D. This is a perpendicular bisector. This is the cut this triangle at the point A. Where intersect? Join AC. This is the triangle, required triangle ABC. Okay, clear? Question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeter, angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeter. Question number 2. Construct a triangle BC equal to 8 centimeter. Given that BC equal to 8 centimeter, angle B equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeter. See the rough figure. BC, first draw BC 8 centimeter, make angle 45 degree, half of 90. This is the 45 degree. Okay. Now cut AB minus AC is 3.5. 3.5 from this arc and join there. This is the point D. Now perpendicular bisect CD. And that bisector of these two lines and extend it and meet at a point A. This is the rough figure. Okay. Now construction. First we take the base BC equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. BC 8 centimeter. Okay. Now make an angle 45 degree. 45 degree. -45 90 and half of 90 is 45. This is the angle 90 degree and bisect it. This is the angle 45. Okay. Now cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. This is the 3.5. This point is D and join CD. Okay. Now perpendicular bisect CD. Perpendicular bisect line CD. This is the bisector of CD and extend. This is the bisector. Now extend this line and bisector meet at point A. This is the point A. Now join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. ABC. The required triangle is ABC. Okay. Next. Question number 3. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q equal to 60 degree and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Question number 3. QR equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q equal to 60 degree and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. First draw QR 6 centimeter, angle Q 60 degree. Produce such that and PR minus PQ cut 2 centimeter from here and join this point. S point, SR. Now perpendicular bisect SR and this is the point P. The perpendicular bisect meet at this line at the point P. Therefore, PQR is the required triangle. Okay. Now construction. QR equal to 6 centimeter. This is the point QR. Make an angle 60 degree. And produce like this. And cut 2 centimeter. Cut 2 centimeter here. This point is S and join RS. Join RS. Now perpendicular bisect RS. RS. This is the perpendicular bisector and produced bisector up to point P. PQR is a required triangle. PQR is a required triangle. Question number 4. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle y equal to 30 degree, z equal to 90 degree and xy plus yz plus zx. It means the perimeter of the triangle is 11 centimeter. Question number 4. Angle y equal to 30 degree, angle z equal to 90 degree and xy plus yz plus zx. It means perimeter equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Procedure is this. First we draw 11 centimeter. Suppose a line AB 11 centimeter. Make angle 30 degree. 60, half of 30 and 15. At B, make angle 90 degree and half of 90 degree means 45 and produce. This point and meet at the point X. Now perpendicular bisect AX. AX line perpendicular bisect and bisector meet at this point at Y. And BX perpendicular bisect BX and meet at a point Z. Therefore, X, Y, Z is the required triangle. This is the procedure. Now, 11 centimeter. Draw a perimeter of 11 centimeter. Okay. This line is AB. 11 centimeter. At A, make an angle 30 degree and half of 30. If the 30 degree is given, it means the half of 30. This is the 60 and half of 60 is 30. This is the 30 and half of 30 is 15. This is a line of 15 degree. Now at angle B 90 degree, half of angle B 45. This point is X. Okay. Now perpendicular bisect BX. BX from B and from X. Equal arc from B and X. And produce this point is Z. Now perpendicular bisect AX, equal arcs from X and from A. Join this. This point is Y. Now join X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. This is the required triangle. Okay, this angle equal to 30 degree and this angle equal to 90 degree, and sum of x, y, z is perimeter of triangle XYZ is 11 centimeter. Question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and the other side is 18 centimeter. Okay. Question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of the hypotenuse on the other sides is 18. Right triangle and cut 18 centimeter. Cut 18 centimeter from here and join this and perpendicular bisect this line. Join. This is the required triangle. Suppose angle BCA. This T. But the dimension is very much greater than 12 centimeter, 18 centimeter. It is not possible. So therefore I am constructing the base of 6 centimeter and sum of hypotenuse means BC plus AC is sum of the hypotenuse on the other side AB plus AC. AB plus AC is 18, half of 18 is 9 centimeter. Okay, and angle B equal to 90 degree. Half of the dimensions. Base BC 6 centimeter. BC 6 centimeter. Half of the given dimensions. Now angle 90 degree. This is a line. Now cut 9 centimeter. This is a 9 centimeter. This point is D and join CD and perpendicular bisect CD. This point is A. Now join A and C. ABC is a required triangle. Sum of the hypotenuse in the other side is 9. 6 and approx 6 and 6, 3. The sum of these two sides is 9. Okay.